A pleasant day. By the way, I am John Repiti Maculangan, 17 years old, and now reside at Sunset City, Lipasit. I am a second-year college student of Lipasit Public College, who taking up the course of Ladderized Education Program for Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. And according to the resume that I have been passed on me, I am knowledgeable in both computer hardware and computer software. I can edit documents using Microsoft Word. I can calculate using Microsoft Excel. I can create presentations using Microsoft PowerPoint. And I can search information or make a research indefinitely in using an internet. Yes, ma'am. I have my pass on the job training. And actually, I experienced 2 times. The first was at Lipasit Hall New Compound. And I am very glad to state you that the things that I have accomplished was, I assisted visitors, I entertained telephone calls, either incoming or outgoing calls. I can calculate by the use of Microsoft Excel. And I can computer hardware. And I also experienced how to troubleshoot computer network, computer hardware, and computer software. Not only that, ma'am. As like what I've said, I have a lot of knowledge, especially when it comes to computers. Because I can create computer programs, not only in using Turbo C, but also in Visual Basic 6.0 C++. Actually, ma'am, I am hardworking, I am honest, I am fast learning, and I am responsible. I can say this, or I can say that because I am willing to be trained anytime you want. I am willing to work under pressure, and I am willing to work overtime. I apply in your company and in this position as a data encoder because I know that I have enough knowledge that you are looking for. And I know that I can make your profit triple and bigger. If this video application convinced you to accept me on your company, the thing that I can say was, thank you.